I'm Wayne from BWC Publishing. In the last video we showed you how to make some mac and cheese dogs. In this one we're going to make some homemade corn dogs. Okay, we got all the stuff ready to go. We'll mix it up and show you how to do it. Okay, we've got all the ingredients measured out and ready to go here. We need 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar. You could use honey here if you'd rather. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, an egg, and a cup of milk, or you could use buttermilk if you'd rather. We showed you the hot dogs already. Alright, let's mix it up. Okay, let's start the mixing. We pour in the baking flour, all-purpose flour. Pour in the cornmeal. Baking powder. A little bit of salt. Sugar. Let's mix that up real good now. Okay, we're ready for the milk. And the egg. Okay, we got it mixed up there. Okay, move everything out of the way. We have some sticks here we'll use to put into the hot dogs. Let's get one out. Be sure your hot dogs are dry. Okay. Stick it in leave about 2 inches sticking out like so. Stick another one in like that. That'll be for me for lunch. Right there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to pour this batter into a cup. Tall glass. It's a little easier that way to dip the hot dog in. There we go. Now I've got it all here. Okay. Okay, dip your hot dog into the batter. Use your fingers, get it covered up real good. Kind of messy, but you gotta do it. We're gonna cook this for 3 to 4 minutes or until it's golden brown. You just watch it. Got it? Let's see. There it comes out. A little thick. Got a little thick on me sitting there, didn't it? Okay, put it in and let's cook it. You can see they're cooking in there. Been about a minute. Let's see how we're doing. Yeah, that may be good right there. Let's take it out and see. Alright. Lay it on something to wipe the grease off with. Right there. Okay, here we are. Let's see how they taste. How did we do? I like mustard. If you like ketchup, you can add ketchup to it also. It's up to you, since you're the one eating it. Let's see how we do here. Not the prettiest dogs in the world, but that's pretty good. And there they are. Of course, they're not the prettiest dogs in the world, but they taste good. I use mustard. If you like ketchup, you can add ketchup yourself. Me, I prefer the mustard. Okay, we're going to see you next time. We'll cook some other stuff and let you know what's coming in. So please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.